Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening, people on YouTube, and welcome back to William in Japan. Today you join me on the street triple on an extremely windy but warm day on the Aqua Line. We're having 11 meters per second of wind. Thankfully it's not much of a crosswind, but enough of that. When we're running on the Aqua Line, you know it only means one thing. We're off to Chiba. See you in a bit. Alright, welcome back folks, as you join me on Route 465 towards the Yolo Creek. So, I have brought you guys to Chiba many of times, usually down the Maple Road or a bit further south towards Tateyama City, but today we will be staying rather in the central part around the city called Kimitsu. Well, city may be a bit of an exaggeration since you can look around you. It's all nature, it's all rice paddies and farms. Not much of a population here. So this is a common theme of Japan's rural areas. Depopulation has been continuously happening in the past 20 odd years. You're seeing scarecrows made to look like humans, or not even a scarecrow, just a little statue to give you the fact that, okay, people are living here, so slow down a bit. This country has been in quite of a pickle with elder population, decrease in population as well, and closure of a lot of schools and businesses around these sort of parts. I don't think this is something they can change, since the birth rate is just so low for the past 25 odd years already. But at least, thanks to that, we get to enjoy the rural side all by ourselves. Oh, two little kitties, very cute. We are now near Kameyama Dam. Around this area there are multiple routes people like to take. Chiba as a whole, as I mentioned in the past as well, does not give you too much of technical routes. It's more of fast and sweepy curves, just like the ones we're supposed to be enjoying right now. Right, let's get a bit of a straight patch of road and overtake them, shall we? Do it safe and not scare anyone, especially the locals. Alright, I think we're good to go. Hell yeah. This motorcycle is incredible in terms of acceleration and control. It just feels so planting whenever, wherever you throw it in. Having really nice tires really help, of course. The Michelin Road 6s really match my riding, I have to say. Commute, highways, and a bit of twisties like this. It really feels nice. Kameyama Dam to the Yolo Creek is somewhat of a tourist spot, especially on the weekends. There are a lot of waterfalls, camping sites, fishing areas, so it tends to get a bit crowded. But since we are here on a Monday, We have it all to ourselves. No tourists from the outside, only the locals are here. I think today's video will be pretty simple. Won't be talking much about anything. So please enjoy the scenery and enjoy the ride. Work ahead, it looks pretty okay. That's, oh, is he letting me pass? Nope. Let's wait for the truck. I think he or she is going to let me pass, but let's just do it safely. Thank you, sir or ma'am. Couldn't see. Bright sunny day. Pretty warm for October. We are expecting rain from, I think, midnight today and all the way through the week again, so gotta pack up the bike really soon too. I say we're pretty lucky. Get quite a bit of sunshine, so we can enjoy a quick ride. Alright, let's slow down, make sure there's no oncoming traffic. And let the street triple roar! Alright, not too crazy. But wow, what an engine this is. Speaking of this engine, MotoGP. The Japan Grand Prix was just yesterday. Ogura Ai on his Moto2 machine, using a similar engine to my street triple, just grabbed second place and is now 60 points ahead, leading in the Moto2 championships. What's the last time when a Japanese, or even definitely no other Asian riders, just Japanese in the past, a Japanese rider ever won a intermediate class champion, world champion? Maybe all the way back in early 2000s, probably. I would have to look it up. It might be Norik, it might be Kato, not really sure. Haven't started watching GP back then. But anyways, if Ogura Ai really got this championship, and he is going to MotoGP on Aprilia next year too, this is getting very exciting. A bit of wet patches should be fine. Nothing the Road 6s can't handle. Oh, I'm loving this part of the road. Nice and chill. Great scenery. But the road itself is getting a bit narrow. Yep. Brake, brake, brake. Make sure he doesn't come into our lane. Let's go. Hell yeah. What a bike. Oh, I remember this curve. I've been here before. I think I was on... Oh yeah, I was on the GB350. I made a video about it when I was riding around this area. We were heading to the Yolo Creek as well. No wonder. This route is a bit familiar. We are coming to an end of the road as well. We're going to turn off. So yeah, guys, this was Route 465. How do you find it? It's pretty fast. A lot of big straights, so they're crazy guys out of you. Can just jack the throttle all the way open and enjoy the speed. Not I'm recommending it, just if you want, you can. At your own responsibilities, guys, at your own risk. Alright folks, this has been William. Thanks for joining me. Love Chiba. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.